Hello everyone, happy Saturday. I'm sorry that I missed last weekend. It was just craziness with PPAI, but now I am back home and I don't travel again until we go to Palm Springs in like early April. But I'm so excited. I was like, I could put away my suitcases and everything. I can stay still for a bit. I'm so excited. And I'm actually going today to go for my pre-op appointment. So I'm gonna start filming and vlogging that to show like my whole process of everything, of getting my boobs done, which is really, really needed. I'm so excited to be able to like wear different shirts because I am so limited. And yeah, I'm really, really excited. So, and a little nervous, but I'm gonna have that all in a vlog, and that will probably go up on my Life of Maddie channel. But today I have a PR unboxing for you guys, and these are all new, up-to-date boxes. I just picked up this pile just yesterday from my UPS mailbox. So everything is new, everything is updated. Let's go ahead and get into it. And again, everything that I show is going to be linked down below if you want to get a closer look at anything. So let's get into it. The first package is from Billion Dollar Beauty, and they sent over an assortment of products here. Super fun. I remember when they were like brows too. So, or it was like a lot of mainly brows. Maybe it's changed now. I'm so out of the game, out of the loop. But this is the magnetic brush set. So this is really cool. You can put your little brushes in here. You can also add in your eyeshadows and highlighters, blushes, all that fun stuff in there. And it looks like they even gave me a couple of eyeshadows here too. We have Moon and Shimmer. These are really, really pretty. You take a look at those. You have like a light blush pink, and then you have a really pretty kind of taupey, blushy shimmer, if you get what I'm putting down there. But these will be really pretty together. And then they sent over, ooh, the Billion Dollar Brow Lift. I'm excited to try this out. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the Fluff Up from Too Faced that I love. So I would love to try this one out. I don't have that many brows, to be honest, but it could probably help me a little bit. And I like the fact that it says flake-free formula, because I hate it when they get flaky. It's not fun, not cute. We also have a ultrafine tip in the shade Taupe. I love to have these pencils on hand. I fill in my brows with powder every day, but sometimes I'll go in with a pencil just to fine tune it, or even just to have one on hand throughout the day if I need to like touch up or anything. So I do that. I want to try that one out. Then we've got a cream blush highlighter stick here. This is in the shade Gumble and Enchantment. I love products like this. I love a good cream blush. I want to swatch this one. I gotta get some makeup wipes in here so I can actually wipe my hands off, but here is the shade. Oh, I love shades like this. So I usually, with these ones, is I have a similar shade from Jouer. I take a brush and I will stipple it on, and then I will put it on my cheeks. But here, I'll just kind of swatch this one. So that's what this one looks like. It's really, really pretty. And then once you use like a stippling brush, it really diffuses the color, and it just gives a beautiful flush to the cheeks. Like that, just like that winter cold flush. Right now it is freezing here in San Diego. I just turned on the heater because I have been like so cold. This I could have used this for traveling. This is a Billion Dollar box. So it includes a magnetic base and a mirror with a kickstand. Oh, I love it, how that makes it so easy to travel with. And then look at it, beauty organization made easy. So it also has, you can have all your powders and everything in it, like your eyeshadows, highlighters, blushes, everything. And then you just have your mirror there. That is so smart and innovative. I really like that. So thank you so much, Billion Dollar Beauty, for sending those over. Next up from Dibs, we have the new Jam Jam Lip Plumping Lipstick Melts. Ooh, they have 6 shades here. And they say why we love it. Comfy, plump, you can see. Jammy texture, you can feel. Buildable and long-lasting color. Decadent, demi shine. A lip luxe formula with castor oil, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. So this is going to be really moisturizing. Warming natural peach and orange vanilla scent. So they sent over 3 shades here. And also I love it that they sent over the little jam with the Dibs on it. And this is actually like, is this type of jam? Oh my gosh, I love this. Yes, this is the jam that I buy for the girls to make their PB&Js. The 3 shades that they sent over are Blueberry Ice, Jam Sesh, and Rhubarb Pie. So I'm gonna show you guys what they look like. Oh, this is so cute. I love the packaging. You have Dibs, beautiful gold. And then, oh, I love this applicator. That reminds me just like the ones from Sigma Beauty, how they have these. I wonder if I could just put it on top. That's so nice. Oh my God, they smell so good. It reminds me of like lip smackers. Those smell so good. And this color is really, really pretty. Again, this one's called Jam Sesh. And then you have the Blue Ice, which is probably gonna be more of a clear. And then the Rhubarb Pie is gonna be a little bit more of a deeper tone, but super pretty and they feel great. Okay, so this one is by Body and Beautiful, and they sent over this really sweet note. This is their first round of PR boxes. You guys, they are brand new. Super excited. Show them some love. You can go to buybodybeautiful.com. I will have them linked down below. You can also save 15% off of your first order, and you can use the code Madison15 to do that. So let's take a look at the products. They put a lot of thought and effort into this. This is really cute. I love the little hearts. Okay, so first off we have, oh, this is what I was smelling, peppermint essential oil. And it says the world's best lip butter and treatment mask, triple hyaluronic acid formula, aloe vera, and 15 superior oils and butters. Essential oils fights lip viruses. Oh, we have a little brush. This is so cute that you could just go in there and put it on your lips. I love that. Oh, look how nice and big this is. I could just tell this is gonna be something I'm gonna wanna leave on my nightstand and just lather my lips in at night. That's what I love. So you open it up here and, oh, it smells so good. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It smells like peppermint. And then I'm actually going to just put some on the back of my hands so I can feel the texture, because I already have a lip product on. But yeah, it just melts into your hand. Like, look at that. That smells so good. And then we also have their lip butters and treatment mask here. This is what the shade looks like right here. It's really pretty. It's got some glitter in it. And then the other one is a nice kind of opaque one where you don't have the shimmer in it. So these will also be great to try. These are types of things that I would just like leave in my purse and I would just reapply throughout the day because they just are so moisturizing and easy. So thank you so much by Body Beautiful. I wish you luck on your new company and your new products. I can't wait to try them out, and I will keep you guys updated. Again, if you want to check them out, I will have their link down below, and then also you can save 15% off with Madison15. All right, so we have a new product from Tatcha to try out, you guys. I'm really excited about this one. It's a brightening collection. So it says see brighter, firmer looking skin in 1 week, and this looks so good. I cannot wait to try you out. Okay, so we have the brightening serum right here to try out. I will open it up. It has a pump, super nice, and it has 12-hour time release, vitamin C, and ferulic acid. Ooh. Ferulic acid is really good. I know that there's like one in the SkinCeuticals, like their vitamin C serum that they have. That's really, really good too. So I'm really excited to try this one out. I'll start putting that into my skincare routine. And then we also have the brightening and dark circle reduction 12-hour time release vitamin C with niacinamide. I can't wait to try this one out too. So we'll give this one a go. I like the brightening and stuff. I don't really get dark under eyes. But I feel like I could get like a little dull, or like especially when I'm not getting enough sleep, you look a little tired, could use some brightening. So thank you so much, Tatcha. I'm really excited about this new line that you're coming out with. So can't wait to give it a go. Okay, so next up I have a package from Being Frenchie. It's a hair wellness starts here. Oh, we are taking a different approach to caring for your hair, one that isn't about fixing problems or needing to look flawless. Instead, we're all about giving love to your hair, formulated with gentle, clean, skincare grade ingredients that support hair and scalp health, all while using our mood boosting scent technology designed to help you feel good while you're turning every shower into a ritual. So our 3 hair wellness collections are designed to nourish, restore, and clarify your scalp and hair because we know that feeling good is a key to good hair. So they have 3 different collections, you guys. Let me know if you've ever tried Frenchie. I've never tried them before. I've never heard, so I'm really excited to give these a go. We have a moisture collection, a restore collection, and also a clarifying collection. So, oh, I love these things. These scalp massagers, like Ross has even been using it, and he's like, this thing is amazing. And I'm like, I know, right? I use it to really help like clean out my scalp and stuff because I have extensions, so it allows me to get really nice and close. And then they also sent over a calming scalp serum, which is infused with biotin caffeine. So infused with biotin, prebiotic inulin, and rosemary leaf oil, this nutrient-rich serum refreshes and conditions scalp in need of a little extra love. Oh, this will be a great one to try out. And then they sent over the Detox Scalp Scrub. This is what I love. Okay, so I was seeing my girl Samantha March, and she was on TikTok, and she's like, do we like double shampoo? Like, how do you guys, what's your routine? So for me, I actually like to use, because I don't wash my hair that often because I have extensions. It would just be a nightmare. But I like to do a clarifying shampoo to help get out all the gunk because I'm putting like product into my hair. I'm dry shampooing. And it just helps get everything out. And then I like to go in with a regular shampoo, which is usually my Redken one that I've been using, and I mix it with a blue shampoo. And the reason why I do blue is because my hair lady said purple actually doesn't really help with the brassiness. She goes, the blue is the one that really counteracts with it. So I bought this like Millbond one from her, and it is so like pigmented and potent. So what I do is I dilute it with my shampoo, and then I let that sit for a little bit to kind of take away the brassiness that I might be getting, because my hair loves to turn warm. And then I let that sit for a little bit, and I rinse it out, and then I go in with my conditioner. So this I'm gonna start trying out. It's a detox scalp scrub. This is really good, especially just if you're using a lot of product. It works wonders. And then also one thing that I learned from IGK, because they had like a little scrub that I was using a lot in the past, and what they were saying is that the buildup that happens in your scalp can also keep your hair from growing. So you really want to really make sure you're cleaning and like detoxifying and like getting that scalp cleared out. So it says, scalp need a reset? Reach for this gentle foaming scrub infused with salt and glycolic acid to leave your scalp feeling deeply cleansed and rebalanced. Squeeze onto damp scalp and gently scrub in circular motions using the built-in massage tool. Rinse with warm water and breathe in the clarifying scent. So it even comes with one of those little things, and it just squeezes it out and you just go like that. That is so cool. It's got sea moss and glycolic acid in it. Definitely gonna be using this. Then this is the clarifying shampoo. This is what I'm saying. I love to use this for the first product, and it also cleans up your hair and everything. So then that way when I go in with my diluted blue shampoo, it really like helps my hair and really makes it pop and brighten it up. So you can use this 1 to 2 times a week or when in need of a scalp detox. So I usually just use them once a week. But yeah, so thank you so much, Frenchie. Being Frenchie, I cannot wait to try your products out. I'm super excited about that. Okay guys, so I just paused for a bit because I have the Watch Duty app, and the app's amazing. You should all have it. It's awesome. But basically with the fires and everything, it gives you updates of what's going on. I got a notification of one in our area. I just saw it. It's not super close to Kinsley School, but it's still a bit away, probably about like maybe 10 or so minutes from her school. So I just called her school. They're aware of it. So far, they're fine over in their area, and there's no evacuation orders, but I'm watching it closely, and I'm really worried about the winds. So I was talking to Joel, and he goes, wait and watch it for like the next hour. And he's like, the winds are going to be picking up in the afternoon. And he's like, if they don't get it under control by then you got to be worried because it's going to just go. Okay, so they're saying the fire is 3 to 5 acres with a potential for 20 acres per incident command. They've already requested aircraft and 2 strike teams of Type 3 engines, and then they also just requested 2 additional tankers and 2 crews So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna cut the PR unboxing short. So the last package that I'm gonna show is the one that I just opened up while I was like kind of watching and on the phone. Okay, so this one is from Stars and Honey. They sent over a cute burgundy hat with their logo. Oh, I like this hat too. I always check this up now that I'm on the other side of this things with Brand Sauce, where we create like branded merch like this. So I'm always looking at good products. All right, so what they sent over is their collagen protein bars. So they have a flavored pack right here, and it comes with dark chocolate coconut, cocoa, salt, caramel, peanut, birthday cake, chocolate chip, peanut butter, blackberry, the raspberry donut, espresso, vanilla, cinnamon, and cookies and cream. When you open it up, it looks like this. These would be good to have before I play pickleball. This is the thing with the winds. That's what I already pulled up. Because on the Watch It app, they just gave us a red flag warning with the winds and all the mile per hours and stuff. And I already pulled it up because I was talking to Joel because he was asking me about the winds. So I pulled up like all the info on it on the Apple one. Oh, it was the same stuff. Oh, it's nerve-wracking. Okay. All right. I'm sorry, guys. I hope you all have a great Saturday. I'll maybe put a little update at the end of this for you guys of how the day turned out. But I just want to keep a close eye because I don't want Kinsley near there. So I think I'm just going to go pick her up. I'll make my next PR unboxing longer for you guys because we'll do the remainder and we'll add some more in. And I will see you guys all next week. Bye.